If I could describe the Impact Fund in one word, I would say relief. I don't have to struggle to find money for groceries or gas, and I'm spending my time getting good experience, good field work. It's stuff I can put on my resume, and I'm getting paid to do it.
The Internship Impact Fund is a SUNY initiative that provides access to experiential learning for all students. On our campus specifically, we decided to use this funding to convert experiences that were typically unpaid into paid experiences.
I work at SHOP as one of the interns. SHOP stands for Students Helping Oz Peers. I would say the Impact Fund, much like SHOP, gives to students who don't know they may need it, but it's a blessing in disguise, to say the least.
In the first year alone, in being able to offer the Impact Fund to students, we were able to grow our internship program from being only about a third paid internships to now being over 2/3 of our internships on campus are paid for students.
Going into college, you don't really expect to get paid for stuff, and the Impact Fund allows students to do that and dedicate time and get something in return. The Impact Fund has allowed me to really enjoy the experience I've had so far and really get into politics, which I never thought would be possible. So it was a very cool and unexpected thing for me.
I believe the Impact Fund will facilitate a lot of different pathways for the students around campus, especially when it breaks down the different demographics.
The work that we do in experiential learning is directly tied to our institution's Vision 4040 plan. It's very important to us that our students are able to graduate from SUNY Oswego and create a life that they're proud of. So the Internship Impact Fund really makes it possible for our students to participate at a 100% level. Along with some of our other campus partners, we do this by creating mutually beneficial experiences for both the organizations, our students, and faculty on the campus.
We want our students to be the best versions of themselves. It has been incredible to watch and listen to the students who have already benefited from this, and we're very excited to continue offering funding to our students.
You're getting paid for it, and you're getting the experience too. So it's a double benefit. It really is.